We just swipe over from the right, and we have all of these apps here, and it just hides right out of the way, and you can barely even notice it on the screen. Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on your Samsung Galaxy A13. If you're interested in this phone or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. I also have a full review up on the channel that you should check out. Let's get right into it. This video was made possible because of our friends over at Visible. Visible by Verizon is a simpler way to do wireless for $30 a month. Yes, that includes taxes and fees. You can get unlimited talk, text, and data nationwide in the US on Verizon's 5G and 4G LTE network. Let's not forget about our unlimited hotspot at 5 megabits per second, built-in spam protection, and unlimited talk and text to our friends in Canada and Mexico. For $45 a month, you can choose the Visible Plus plan that features everything we just mentioned and more. Wow. You get 5G ultra wideband, premium network experience at 50 gigabytes, and additional international benefits, and a $10 a month savings on Verizon Home Internet. See our affiliate link in the video description for additional information. On your A13, to capture a screenshot, you'll have to press the volume down button and your side button or power button at the exact same time. And once you do, you'll notice the screen gives you that little white flashing box. It just captured and saved the image to the phone for you. Next up is a feature you might not even notice is on. It could be enabled on your phone right now. Mine is. It's this edge panel on the side. We just swipe over from the right, and we have all of these apps here, and we can choose to edit them as we see fit. So let me show you how to get to that. Settings, display, and down here it's edge panels. Ours is on. We have it set to apps, but there's people, smart select, tasks, weather tools, reminder, your clipboard. You can also adjust it left or right side of the screen, choose your style, transparency, vibration if you want. I like to add the vibration feedback. Kind of in line with that is the ability to hide apps on your phone. So same thing, pull down from the top, hit the settings gear icon. We're just going to start searching hide. And you'll notice we have lots of options, but it's under our home screen at the very bottom, hide apps. We're going to choose it, and then you can pick and choose which apps you want to hide. So in this case, let's get rid of our calculator and our camera. We're going to select done. Now we're going to go home. There's no camera anymore. That was right here at the bottom, if you remember. And we'll look for our calculator. Our calculator is no more as well. We have successfully hidden our apps. They're not deleted or uninstalled. You can go back in there anytime and turn them back on. Next up, we have a couple of battery tips and tricks to go over. So select the settings gear icon. You can search battery. It is one of the options here, battery and device care. So I'm just going to choose it right off the menu. And the first option is what we want, battery right there. You'll notice we have our power saving setting. Let's turn that on. And now we can extend the life of our battery. You'll also notice we have limit CPU speed by 70%, decrease brightness, limit apps and home screen. You can tweak some of those settings if you want. Just turn them on or off. Also though, further down, you might miss this. There's this more battery settings section where we have our adaptive battery section where we can toggle that on to extend battery life based on your own phone usage. And you can also show battery percentage. Some Samsung phones have the ability to turn fast charging on and off and to cap your charge at 85% for battery health. That is not an option with our A13.